Hello students, I am Praveen sir. Today we will going to learn about simple machine. पहले हमें समझते हैं कि simple machine क्या होता है. Even in earlier days, human beings tried to use some tools to make their work easier. These tools were in fact simple machines which are still being used today. Machines helps by making our work easier and faster with less effort. पहले के दिनों में भी इंसान अपने काम को आसान बनाने के लिए कुछ टूल्स का इस्तेमाल करने की कोशिश करता था. ये उपकरण वास्तव में सिंपल मशीनें थी जिनका उपयोग आज भी किया जा रहा है. मशीन हमारे काम को तेज और आसान बनाते हैं. There are 6 types of simple machines. 1. Lever. 2. Inclined plane. 3. Screw. 4. Wedge. 5. Wheel and axle. 6. Pulley. पहले हम लीवर के बारे में समझेंगे. लीवर एक रोड शेप की सरल मशीन है. यह एक फिक्स पॉइंट से घूम सकती है. 1. लीवर पर जो बल लगाया जाता है उसे एफर्ट कहते हैं. 2. जिस भार को ले जाना या उठाना होता है उसे लोड कहते हैं. 3. वह फिक्स पॉइंट जिस पर लीवर चलता है उसे फुलक्रम कहा जाता है. According to the position of the effort load in fulcrum, there are the 3 classes of lever. First class lever, second class lever, third class lever. Now, first class lever. In first class levers, the fulcrum is placed between the load and effort. First class lever में fulcrum को load और effort के बीच रखा जाता है. Example: a seesaw, a crowbar, a claw hammer and a pair of scissors are examples of first class levers. Now, second class lever. In second class levers, the load is placed between the fulcrum and effort. सेकंड क्लास लीवर में लोड को फुलक्रम और एफर्ट के बीच रखा जाता है. A bottle opener, a nutcracker and a wheelbarrow are examples of second class levers. Now, third class lever. In third class levers, the effort is placed between the fulcrum and the load. थर्ड क्लास लीवर में एफर्ट को फुलक्रम और लोड के बीच रखा जाता है. Our arms, a pair of tweezers and a pair of tongs are examples of third-class levers. Now, inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface with one end higher than the other. Inclined plane एक ढलान वाली सतह होती है जिसका एक एंड दूसरे से ऊंचा होता है. In this machine, a small effort is needed to raise a heavy load. The inclined plane is also used to roll, slide down objects which are too heavy. A road up a hill, a ramp and a slide in the park are examples of inclined planes. An inclined plane. Now, screw. A screw is just a nail with an inclined plane wrapped around it. Screws are commonly used to hold things together. स्क्रू का उपयोग आमतौर पर चीजों को एक साथ जोड़े रखने के लिए किया जाता है. Example: we see screws in our daily lives. Toothpaste caps, juice Tetra Pak caps and bottle caps are examples of screws. Screws are also commonly used in revolving chairs or stools. Bigger screws are also used to lift cars or other heavy objects. These are known as screw jacks. Some examples of S. Now, wedge. A wedge is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. In a wedge, usually one side is sharper than the other. Wedges are often used to separate things. An axe, a knife and a blade are examples of wedges. वेज वी के आकार का एक 2 इंसाइंड प्लेन है. वेज में आमतौर पर एक साइड दूसरे साइड शार्प होती है. वेजे का प्रयोग अक्सर चीजों को अलग करने के लिए किया जाता है, जैसे कुल्हाड़ी, चाकू और ब्लेड वेजे के एग्जाम्पल हैं. Now, wheel and axle. The wheel and axle is an arrangement in which an axle is the wheel. An axle is a rod about which the wheel moves. Axle and wheel जिसमें एक wheel है, एक rod है जिसके चारों ओर wheel घूमता है. Examples of wheel and axle are an egg beater, a doorknob steering wheel of a car. Now, pulley. A pulley is a wheel with grooved rim for holding a rope or a belt. The rope is pulled from one side to pull the heavy weight attached to the other side. It can be used to lift heavy weights or to change the direction of the force. Pulleys can be of 2 types: fixed or movable. Some support. It makes work easier by changing the direction of the force. It is most commonly used in wells or flagpoles. Movable pulley. This type of pulley is not attached to any support used to lift heavy objects by using much lesser effort as compares T-fixed pulleys. Sometimes, these pulleys are used along with the fixed pulley to lift heavy loads. For example, crane.